So the MFA programme is a 2-year international jointly taught degree delivered by Edinburgh College of Art in Scotland and Paris College of Art in France. The programme focuses on experimental cinema, artist film and moving image, and independent fiction filmmaking. The first year at Edinburgh College of Art focuses on project research, development, building basic technical skills and a conceptual understanding of filmmaking. And the second year at Paris College of Art focuses on the production of a major film art project and learning about the industry and distributing that film at festivals and the kind of business side of cinema as well.
So the production year in Paris is organized around 4 distinct classes. Those classes are arranged in such a way that they have intensive workshops. Students are going to be working with chosen mentors one-on-one, where they have meeting once a week. So we have a number of co-curricular events at the Paris College of Art. We have around 6 cineclubs per academic year and typically up to 2 artist talks. The cineclubs usually revolve around a selection of short films or a feature film. Typically invite one of the filmmakers to come and present their work and show their films. And this is a great opportunity for students to learn about European film culture and also have an opportunity to network with these filmmakers.
So this is a highly practical film programme. During the programme, you develop your creative voice and build a portfolio of film work. We have film and TV studios at both institutions where students can get hands-on with equipment. We do workshops in these rooms. You can practice and build sets, and a lot of production work happens in those spaces.
So PCA has a whole range of professional high-end cameras. So if students decide that they want to shoot digitally, we have ARRI Amira cameras. If students want to shoot on film, we have 16mm ARRI SR3 cameras.
We have a range of post-production facilities as well, so colour grading suites, edit suites, sound mixing rooms. The whole range of facilities that you'd expect to be able to make a film to a high standard are available at both schools.
The beauty of this program is the ability to learn and work in the Scottish film industry, but then also work and learn in the French film industry, which, as some of you may know, is one of the biggest in the world.
If you're interested in exploring new approaches to filmmaking, pushing your practice, and working across 2 international cities, then this program would be a good choice for you.